Unit 118. Like, as if, as though. A. You can use like to say how somebody or something looks, sounds, feels. That house looks like it is going to fall down. Helen sounded like she had a cold, did not she? I have just got back from holiday, but I feel very tired. I do not feel like I have had a holiday. That house looks like it is going to fall down. You can also use as if or as though in all these examples. That house looks as if it is going to fall down. Helen sounded as if she had a cold, did not she? I do not feel as though I have had a holiday. Compare. You look tired, look plus adjective. You look like you have not slept, look like plus subject plus verb. As if and as though are more formal than like. B. You can say it looks like, it sounds like. Sarah is very late, is not she? It looks like she is not coming. We took an umbrella because it looked like it was going to rain. The noise is very loud next door. It sounds like they are having a party. It sounds like they are having a party next door. You can also use as if or as though. It looks as if she is not coming, or it looks as though she is not coming. It looked as if it was going to rain. It sounds as though they are having a party. C. You can use like, as if, as though with other verbs to say how somebody does something. He ran like he was running for his life. After the interruption, the speaker went on talking as if nothing had happened. When I told them my plan, they looked at me as though I was mad. D. After as if or as though, we sometimes use the past when we are talking about the present. For example, I do not like Tim. He talks as if he knew everything. The meaning is not past in this sentence. We use the past as if he knew, because the idea is not real. Tim does not know everything. We use the past in the same way in other sentences with if and wish. See Unit 39. Like is not normally used in this way. Some more examples. She is always asking me to do things for her, as if I did not have enough to do already. I do have enough to do. Carrie is only 40. Why do you talk about him as if he was an old man? He is not an old man. When you use the past in this way, you can use were instead of was. Why do you talk about him as if he were or was an old man? They treat me as if I were or was their own son. I am not their son. Unit 118. Exercises. 118.1. What do you say in these situations? Use the words in brackets to make your sentence. 1. You meet Bill. He has a black eye and some plasters on his face. Look like B. A fight. You say to him, you look like you have been in fight. 2. Claire comes into the room. She looks absolutely terrified. Look like C. A ghost. You say to her, what is the matter? You look like you have seen a ghost, like you saw a ghost. 3. Joe is on holiday. He is talking to you on the phone and sounds happy, sound as if have a good time. You say to him, you sound as if you are having a good time. 4. You have just run 1 kilometer. You are absolutely exhausted, feel like run a marathon. You say to a friend, I feel like I have just run a marathon. Like I just ran a marathon. 118.2. Make sentences beginning it looks like, it sounds like, you should see a doctor, there has been an accident, they are having an argument, it is going to rain, She is not coming. We will have to walk. 1. Sarah said she would be here an hour ago. You say, it looks like she is not coming. 2. The sky is full of black clouds. You say, it looks like it is going to rain. 3. You hear two people shouting at each other next door. You say, it sounds like they are having an argument. 4. You see an ambulance, some policemen and 2 damaged cars at the side of the road. You say, it looks like there has been an accident. 5. You and a friend have just missed the last bus home. You say, it looks like we will have to walk. 6. Dave is not feeling well. He tells you all about it. You say, it sounds like you should see a doctor. 118.3. Complete the sentences with as if. Choose from the box, putting the verbs in the correct form. She, enjoy, it, I, go, be sick, he, not, eat, for a week, he, need, a good rest, she, hurt, her leg, he, mean, what he, say. I, not, exist, she, not, want, come. 1. Mark looks very tired. He looks as if he needs a good rest. 2. I do not think Paul was joking. He looked as if he meant what he said. 3. What is the matter with Amanda? She is walking as if she has hurt her leg, as if she hurt her leg. 4. Peter was extremely hungry and ate his dinner very quickly. He ate as if he had not eaten for a week. 5. Tanya had a bored expression on her face during the movie. She did not look as if she was enjoying it. 6. I have just eaten too many chocolates. Now I do not feel well. I feel as if I am going to be sick. 7. I phoned Liz and invited her to the party, but she was not very enthusiastic about it. She sounded as if she did not want to come. 8. I went into the office, but nobody spoke to me or looked at me. Everybody ignored me as if I did not exist. 118.4. These sentences are like the ones in section D. Complete each sentence using as if. 1. Andy is a terrible driver. He drives as if he were the only driver on the road. 2. I am 20 years old, so please do not talk to me as if I were a child. 3. Steve has never met Nicola, but he talks about her as if she were his best friend. 4. It was a long time ago that we first met, but I remember it as if it were yesterday.